Good morning. Good morning. Tell them good morning. Morning. Oh God. You wake up. You want to go bed? We're going to have to go to school. You can go bed? Yeah, you're going to go to school. Okay, I'll soon come. Alright guys, so this video is going to be about my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. It's 40 ml and it's 1.35 fluid ounce. Now let me just say, when I first bought this and I held it up to the light, like product was just up to here. And I'm like, Becca, Bobo, what is this? I've had this for months, and I cannot get it. Was in my makeup artist kit and I had to take it out of my makeup artist kit, and I put the travel one in my makeup artist kit because this thing lasts so long and I do not want it to go bad on me, because the nail products have expiration date, right? So I don't want it to go bad on me. Yeah, so I had to take it out of my makeup artist kit and put the travel size one in there because this thing is lasting so long. I'm like, no, I don't want it to go bad. Let me just take it out of my kit, put the travel one in there so I can repurchase the travel one. And I'm using this now for myself. Now I have combination skin. I have oily to normal skin, so I get oily in my T-zone area like in most women, and also on my cheeks as well. But let me just say this, if you overuse this, it will be to your detriment. I've used this already and used too much and my foundation looks cakey. I'm talking even before powder. It looks cakey. And when I set it, I can feel that there's something on my face. So when I put in my brush, I can feel my brush like sticking to my face. Do not overuse this. Do not overuse this. Just, you know, keep it cute. Keep it basic. Keep it cute. Keep it cute. Because if you overdo this, it's not gonna be good, bro. So using small amounts, so what I do now, I just squeeze it and put like here, so I make like one V, a small V, then a line going across, and that's it. And that takes care of my entire face. I'm talking my nose, my chin, everywhere. I just spread it everywhere. So yeah, amazing. You guys have always been asking me about like a substitute to milk of magnesia. This is a more expensive route because milk of magnesia is probably like what, $5 or something like so. For us out here it's expensive. It's like $1,200, $1,100, $900. So this is a more expensive route, but to be honest, this looks better in your kit. Now if you're an everyday person and you do not want to use this primer, then that's fine. I would recommend the milk of magnesia. But I'm speaking to people who are definitely asking me what's an artists, makeup artists, professionals who are asking me what's an alternative to the Philips milk of magnesia. They either can't find it or whatever. So I tell them, go Becca, because it works, but you have to use it in increments. You can't use it like just like bam primer. Now Bobo, you have to bring it in. Amazing for oily skin especially. I would recommend how to use this if you have oily skin is to do your cleanse your face, do your toner, cleanse your face, do your toners, then apply your moisturizer. Have your moisturizer sit in your skin for about a minute so that it gets to do what it does, moisturizes, rehydrates the skin. Then you apply your primer. Let's say you get oilier in certain areas, you apply on those areas first and you massage it in, then you move on to the rest of your face, if it is that you need it for the rest of your face. Now I do have combination skin, but I put this all over my face, right? If you have normal skin, you can use this, but just in small amounts. You don't need to be as strategic as someone who with oily skin or oily combination skin. I am so glad that I have this. This is definitely kit worthy. You need this in your kit. But if you're not as my clientele, they're mostly brides. I know weddings are seasonal, so I don't have clients all year round. But if you do have clients all year round, like you work from a studio and people are coming just to get their makeup done for this and for that and for that, then you definitely need the bigger size. But for me, the travel size works well for me. I did a graduation a couple weeks ago and I'm like almost out of my travel size. I'm like okay, let me get another one. But yeah, this works well. I hands down recommend this. I love it. It works. Use it sparingly, but it does work. If you don't use it sparingly, as I say, your makeup will feel like there's a film on your face and it will feel cakey. And how I combat that cakey, how I fix it is using a setting spray, like a dewy setting spray. Papito? Yeah, Juju. Push, Papito. Alright, you guys, that's it for this video. I will not go long. My baby needs me. Oh, wash Papa. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Becca, yes, recommend, definitely keep worthy. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Don't forget about my Florida hands-on makeup classes. I'll be in Tamarack, Florida, and the classes are from September 7th through to the 9th. You do receive our certificate of completion, just something tangible to record your process and what you've learned. All the tools are provided. You don't bring anything at all. We provide everything for you. If you need pencils, notebooks, pens, makeup, brushes, primers, we provide everything for you. And having said that, the classes are sponsored by Shades by Gal, as well as Poem by Lyric. Yeah? Excuse? You want to pause? Okay. So having said that, the classes are sponsored by Poem by Lyric. Walk here. Hold, bend down your head. And we have goodie bags for all our students who will be attending, and goodie bags are provided by, in the goodie bags, Juvia's Place, Beauty Blender, Brush Folio, and Glam by Isaken. What else? Tamarack, Florida. I think it's from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And I want to talk about everything beauty related. We're not just going to be doing hands-on makeup, because the first day we hit the ground running. We go straight into looks, we go straight into me speaking to you one-on-one. We just hit the ground running. Can you learn in 3 days? Heck yes, you can learn in 3 days. I had a student when I was in New Jersey. We only had classes for 2 days, and when I tell you that girl did absolutely, she did amazing for the 2 days. I was just so surprised. The only thing I would, not surprised, I was very humbled, because this girl is talented, and she didn't even know it. So the only thing I would ask you to bring is just a willingness to learn. I sound so corny, but once you're willing to learn, I'm telling you, on day one you will just soak everything up, and after that is just practice, 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 practice. I am really pushing and going hard for these Florida classes, because this, yes Papita, go ask grandma, because this will be the precedence for me now. This will be the standard for me of my classes. I actually have sponsors. Glam by Isaken, Shades by Gal, and of course obviously Poem by Lyric. But I have sponsors, and these people are people I would love to work with, and I will be reaching out to other brands. I'm very hesitant to, but I will be, because I want my classes to just be A1, man. I want them to just be, them just need for just, you know, lit. A surprise, I will be having classes in February here in Jamaica. I have not yet figured out the price point, but it will be from $3.95 to $4.95, right? I have not figured out the price point. I'm working on the flyer, no. And then I'm working on classes for ATL for February, March, for April. So let me know, for those of you who are in ATL, if you want classes, the classes will be from $4.95 to $5.95. And of course I'll be linking up with people over there in ATL. For my Jamaica classes, I want to have my Jamaican brand sponsoring, so I will be reaching out to All Dollar Cosmetics. I will be reaching out to Your True Shade, and I can even reach out to Bella Spray and have some skincare for you guys. But yeah, and for my ATL classes, I will be going back to my international sponsors, like Glam by Isaken, Your True Shade, Glam by Isaken, and oh, international, go Your True Shade, Glam by Isaken, and Shades by Gal. But yeah, that's it basically for this video, guys. I won't keep any longer. Look at me saying I'm going to my baby, and I spoke like 3 minutes, but he's okay, he's right here.
Dad.
What?
Open baggy.
Yeah. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Tell everybody bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, he's waving.
Bye-bye.
Later.
Later.
Say go to mommy class.
Go mommy, guys.
Bye guys.